In the quest for a healthier lifestyle, the journey often begins with what we put on our plates. Among the myriad of options available, some gentle foods stand out not only for their nutritional benefits, but also for their ability to support belly fat loss. These foods provide a wholesome approach to eating, allowing individuals to nourish their bodies while achieving their health goals. First on the list is the humble avocado. Often celebrated for its creamy texture and rich flavor, the avocado is a powerhouse of healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fat, which has been shown to reduce visceral fat. This type of fat is often associated with various health risks, including heart disease and diabetes. Incorporating avocados into your diet can be as simple as adding slices to your morning toast or blending them into a smoothie for a luscious, nutrient-dense drink. The fiber content in avocados also promotes satiety, making it easier to resist unhealthy snacking throughout the day. Next up is the vibrant sweet potato, a root vegetable that is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. Sweet potatoes are rich in fiber and antioxidants, particularly beta-carotene, which can help regulate blood sugar levels. Stable blood sugar is crucial for managing cravings and maintaining a healthy weight. Roasting sweet potato wedges with a sprinkle of olive oil and your favorite herbs creates a satisfying side dish, or you can mash them as a comforting alternative to traditional mashed potatoes. They can also be diced and added to salads, providing a sweet and nutritious crunch. Moving on, we encounter the mighty green tea. While not a food in the traditional sense, this ancient beverage deserves a spot on the list for its remarkable fat-burning properties. Green tea contains catechins, a type of antioxidant that has been linked to increased metabolism and fat oxidation. Sipping on a warm cup of green tea can be a soothing ritual, especially when enjoyed in the morning or as an afternoon pick-me-up. For those looking to incorporate it into their diet more creatively, consider using brewed green tea as a base for smoothies or as a cooking liquid for grains like quinoa or rice, infusing your meals with a subtle flavor. Another gentle food that supports belly fat loss is the humble lentil. These tiny legumes are a fantastic source of plant-based protein and fiber, both of which are essential for a balanced diet. Lentils not only help to keep you full for longer, but they also stabilize blood sugar levels, making them an excellent choice for weight management. They can be easily incorporated into soups, stews, or salads, providing a hearty and nutritious component to any meal. A simple lentil salad with diced vegetables and a light vinaigrette can serve as a refreshing lunch option, while a warm lentil soup can be a comforting dinner choice. Lastly, we cannot overlook the power of Greek yogurt. This creamy dairy product is a rich source of protein, which is vital for muscle maintenance and repair. High-protein foods like Greek yogurt can help increase feelings of fullness, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Moreover, the probiotics found in yogurt promote gut health, which is increasingly recognized as a key factor in weight management. Enjoy Greek yogurt as a breakfast base, topped with fresh fruits and a sprinkle of nuts, or use it as a creamy dressing alternative for salads and grain bowls. It can also be blended into smoothies for an extra protein boost. Incorporating these 5 gentle foods into a healthy diet can create a balanced approach to weight loss, particularly in the belly area. Each food offers unique benefits that not only support fat loss, but also enhance overall health. By embracing these nourishing options, individuals can embark on a journey toward a healthier lifestyle, one delicious meal at a time. The key lies in enjoying these foods mindfully and creatively, allowing for a satisfying and sustainable approach to eating that nurtures both the body and the soul.